If you like dessert and love to eat it, then you're gonna wanna try this one. Today, we make Greek yogurt taste even better with this twice the volume, high protein whipped Greek yogurt recipe. So let's jump right into it. P.S. I'm curious, for those of you who like high volume eating, what are some of your favorite healthier options? Let me know in the comments. Start this one by adding into a mixing bowl 250 grams of a vanilla Greek yogurt. We'll talk about flavors in a bit. Continue with 2 ounces of heavy cream, 1 large liquid egg white, make sure it's pasteurized, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 30 grams of a vanilla protein powder, and some optional honey for sweetness. To make this chocolate, use a chocolate protein powder and 10 grams of cocoa powder. Flavoring. You can easily mix and match any flavors you want here. An example, banana Greek yogurt with some peanut butter powder. I'll put a huge list of variations on our website link below. Now for the hard part. You're gonna need a mixer or max level forearm. Start slow until everything mixes together and hit it fast for a couple minutes. You'll know it's done when it has around double the volume and looks creamy like this. You can store these to eat later and top them with whatever you want, like chocolate chips. With that said, thank you all for watching. Hit that thumbs up button for more high volume recipes. Don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're on the road to 500,000. And of course, stay healthy.